5 Best Steam Cleaner for Car Engines Review. Number 1. McCulloch MC1275. MC1275 Heavy-Duty Steam Cleaner offers a chemical-free solution for your car engines, aside from plenty of features. Therefore, we picked it up as the best engine steam cleaner. One of the key features why we bring it to the top pick is due to the chemical-free cleaning. It applies immersively and ensures deep cleaning without applying chemicals that cause harm to your car's engine. Turns out, the engine will shed its grime, grease and stains. Secondly, we clap on the long hose that is 10 foot extra long so you can plug the power and bring the small vacuum close to your car engine. Well, many vacuums have so many features but falter in this area, so we applaud this feature, indeed. We wash out our car engine but still we get to see the glistening car engine after wash. Here is why high-pressure steam cleaner for cars is a must with enough pressurized cleaning performance. Number 2. Wagner Spraytech. Wagner Spraytech has brought almost every feature compared to the above best overall, but the hose length is a bit short, attachments are less, but still it is a good bait when you consider its price. We recommend it for your car engine because it features jet nozzles which are perfect for car engine washing. The key feature that came up to our consideration is its power. It unleashes 120 volts equipped voltage power. That makes it capable of kicking out maximum residues from any car engines, no matter how old and rusty they are. After regular application of it, you will get a tidy engine for that. This will prolong the car's overall lifespan. After researching on the équipement, we get to see the best trade-off Wagner is to have dual mode of a pressurized steam system. Therefore, you will shift from one mode to another to different areas of your car engine. Number 3. Costway Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner. Costway Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner comes with so many accessories for the whole household cleanup operation. But thanks to having the long and broad nozzle out of them which helps you to clean up your auto car engine at great convenience, here is why we bring it forth to you. The steam cleaner sucks and soaks up during the steam clean engine to find oil leak. For that, the auto oil or grease spilling on the engine, or even it comes out inadvertently. So a right bait out of the great bucks, indeed. This steam cleaner releases the lock, giving you no hard time to hold down manually. All you need to do is to push the round-shaped button right on the handle afterward, it will pop out soon.
Number 4. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. If you are looking for a vac for the complete solution of your car along with the auto engine cleanup, then we have a few insights to recommend you with Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. The water tank comes with a suitcase design where you find a retractable handle to grip conveniently and bring anywhere. The overall setup of this vac seems pretty compact and portable to us. Aside from the engine, you will get the maximum coverage for the entire car interior. Well, if you want to engage your steamer for prolonged hours, the Dupre is the best in the business. Because the maximum run time of it is up to 50 minutes and somewhat often extends up to an hour or close to it. The run time is continuous and offers intermittent cleanup as well. Moreover, the large water tank supports extending the overall dwell time of it. Number 5. McCulloch MC1375. McCulloch MC1375 is the last pick, but it has packed with the maximum stuff, making it an expensive deal. If you have a good budget to expend not only your auto's engine but also use it for the total cleaning solution, then you can invest in it. Having the 20 accessories it will combat with maximum dust and debris for kicking out. Among many things, the angled nozzle comes on demand for the engine compartment. For that you will have 90 minutes of steaming and blast away dirt or grime in no time. This unit has many things, but we consider the extended hose power cords as one of the key features for auto cleaning. Because the more ease means the more usability you will come across. Moreover, the 18 feet of power cord along with the 10 feet steam hose will reach the toughest area of your car interior and dig deep inside the engine part as well.